outside our apartment now, and we're so excited because right here next to us is the train tracks, and there are actually two possible train stations that we can go to. One is Lee Station, which is over there, but right now we're heading to the Herdman Station, which is a bigger station because we just want to see what's really in there. And yeah, so I think I overestimated the weather outside. It's not really that bad. It's a little windy and cloudy, but we're hoping that it's not going to rain on us while we try the train, or if not, well, you know, there's always the bus, but I think the train is a better option. And this train is going to really change lives for commuters, especially us who have a train station right in front of our apartment. It's going to be a really fast travel from now on, and especially because winter is coming, it really gets harsh, especially in January and February. So we're looking forward to less time commuting. We're looking forward to less time walking to the apartment. So let's see.
When you want somebody, I swear I won't expect too much. Won't go and drag us through the mud, but I think this far might not be done. I swear I saw a figure. I swear I saw it. I swear I saw it. I swear I saw a figure. I swear I saw you. I swear I saw you. I swear I saw you flicker. I swear I saw you. Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other.
So guys, we're here now at Herdman Station. This is actually one of the biggest stations here in Ottawa. So you can see it's not just a train station, but it's also a bus station. So all the buses that you want to take going Ottawa South, Ottawa East, Ottawa North, and even Ottawa West, they're all here. They all pass by here. Actually, I go here every day. I've been going here for 1 year because I actually go to school in Ottawa South. So I take my bus over here, but now it's changing. The routes are changing because of the opening of the OTrain. So I don't know how to feel about this. I'm gonna miss this station a lot because I used to walk from Herdman Station going home, and it's a good 12-14 minute walk. But now that the train is here and it actually stops right in front of our apartment, I don't think I need to like stop by unless I'm in the mood for some really lengthy walk. So yes guys, I'm gonna miss my buses because there's a train already. But anyway, it's been a good 1 year.
Okay guys, we're almost here, and we can't wait to try the OTrain, and well, let's go.
Maximum, because today is Sunday, so you maximum 5 minutes, maybe 5 to 8 minutes max.
So there's a train that comes by every 5 minutes.
Yes, yeah.
And during the weekdays,
It's 3 to 5 max.
3 to 5 max.
Yeah. During rush hours.
Rush hours,
Yeah.
That's my question because
Yeah.
I work in Quebec side, so
Yeah.
I go crazy every morning.
Okay.
And another question that I have in Timisi station,
Yeah.
because it's the old Leopard station, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So how about the buses going to Gatineau?
Yeah, you can make connection there.
There's a bus that will go straight
Yeah,
up.
sure. I've never been in PVC, but I know.
Yeah, connections
on the
are
map.
going to be there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Just tap your card.
Tap my Crystal card and
Voila!
thank you. again, just like last Sunday. We took the train from Saint-Laurent to Parliament, and it probably took us 4 minutes to get here. It's really fast compared to if you bus and you go through traffic, and if you compare that, it's a difference of like 10 minutes or 6 minutes. So it really makes a difference, and you get off here at O'Connor and Queen, and it's a 2-minute walk up to the Parliament Hill. So it really saves you time, and it's really convenient to be taking the train. I wish we could have taken the train to Pemisi instead, but we want to try out where the Parliament stop would take us. So yeah.
So hi guys, that was our trip with the new OTrain. We're very happy. We have no complaints about it when it comes to the major destinations that you want to go to. I know that it's still very limited when it comes to the stations, but we have read and we have heard that they are building more stations in 2022 to 2025. So we're really hoping to be able to experience that, as we know that traveling will be easier with a train this time. We're very lucky because we live in a place where the train station is just a 3-minute walk from where we're at, and it really serves the purpose well. However, we cannot get rid of the buses because not all the stops are catered to by the train. So if I can give you 3 tips to remember when you're riding the OTrain, first of all, don't forget your pass. The same pass that applies to buses applies to the OTrain. So if you don't have your pass with you, you can buy a ticket there from the ticket machine. So it's all there in the station, and this is a pretty easy station to understand because you will see the signs there right away, and it will lead you to where you're supposed to go. And another thing that you have to remember, if you have pets with you, small pets have to be in the carrier. Same law applies when you're riding the bus. So just remember that. It's just a train, but you know, it's not just a train. It's the train, it's the bus, but they have the same rules altogether. And last but not the least, remember that not all stops are being catered by the train. That's practically the most important one. So you better time your travel, and you better plan it out the night before so you don't get stuck in traffic or whatsoever. So I hope, guys, we've been very informative in this vlog. I hope it helped you out, especially if you're new to the train system, and I hope you enjoy the ride. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share to your friends. We would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching us today, and see you again in our next travel. Bye!